made it after a 1-hour drive. Seeing is right in front of the store. All right, here's everybody. Lane calls in beauty sleep. We're about to go in. Okay, let's go in. You guys ready? Go, see, go. Yeah. Go in there. So we got our bucket of chicken here. Seeing is eating already. Seeing what you got there, see? Seeing what you got there, see? What's that? Oh, what was this?
I don't know what's called.
You don't know what it's called? You order it. Zoom into that chicken again. You like Jollibees? Is it good? Is it good? Stay over there. You like it? Is it good?
Yeah.
Milan seemed to like it. It's the pineapple drink. And here's the soda. The soda here.
That's your soda.
My soda?
That's Sujin's pineapple.
Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, I got my spaghetti right here. Milan, what are you doing? I think she wants gravy.
No, I'm here already.
Oh.
Just plain.
It's my first time trying the spaghetti. First time trying this. Oh, it's good. Try spaghetti? No. Chicken? Wow. It is good. Oh.
Try this.
Spill. Good. Right, some rice, come on. Let's see what King Paul is doing. Hey, Paul. Oh, he's enjoying it. Sorry, Lincoln, you can't eat it yet.
Gravy?
Yeah, chicken gravy. Yummy, yummy.